Tired of your slow, bloated Windows PC? Are you looking to repurpose an older desktop or laptop that's just laying around? Well, I've got a great option for you. In this video, I'll show you how to install Linux Mint, a fast, free, and user-friendly operating system that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. So let's get to it. Unlike Windows, which gets heavy and bloated over time, Linux Mint is optimized to run fast, even on older or weaker spec hardware. It boots quickly and stays responsive. The Cinnamon Edition feels very Windows-like, making the switch to Linux from Windows easy for beginners. A start menu, taskbar, file manager. It's all intuitive. It also ships with essentials like a media player, LibreOffice Suite, and Software Manager, so you're ready to go out of the box. Now let's head on over to linuxmint.com to download the ISO file for installing Mint. I'll toss a download link for you in the video description. I recommend the Cinnamon Edition for the best all-around experience. Click Download. Scroll down to Cinnamon Edition. Click Download. Scroll down and select your download mirror. I'll select World Linux Mint. Once your ISO file is downloaded, let's head on over to another site and grab Rufus. We'll use Rufus to create a bootable USB. Visit rufus.ie and download the latest version. It's free, lightweight, and allows us to create all kinds of bootable OS tools. I'll toss a link for Rufus in the video description as well. To snag Rufus, scroll down and click on the latest standard release. Once it's downloaded, let's jump right into creating our bootable Linux Mint USB. Plug in an available USB drive, 8 GB or larger. Click Select and point it to your Linux Mint ISO file. You're welcome to change your drive partition scheme or target system here, but I'll leave mine at MBR and BIOS/UEFI. Click Start. You'll get a pop-up about creating your hybrid ISO file. Just click OK. Click Yes. Click OK. Now Rufus will create your bootable Linux Mint USB. It should only take a few minutes. When that's done, we'll start the install process. Restart your computer and enter your boot menu. You can usually access your computer's boot menu by pressing one of the following keys at startup: F2, F10, F12, or even the escape or delete keys, depending on your brand PC. This lab PC is a Dell, so I'll hit F12 at startup. Choose your USB stick to boot into the Linux Mint Live environment. Select Start Linux Mint Cinnamon 64-bit and hit Enter. Now that we're in the Linux Live environment, double-click Install Linux Mint. Next, we'll select our language of choice and click Continue. Now select your keyboard layout option and click Continue. Select Install Multimedia Codecs and click Continue. Lastly, you'll get a warning that your previous drive data will be erased during the install. This is normal, but be sure you're confident you've backed up any important data. Click Install Now. Click Continue. Select your time zone and click Continue. Here we'll personalize your user account. Enter your desired name and password and click Continue. Now we head into the final stages of install. I sped up the install for this video, but it only took 15 minutes or so to finish up. Once installation is complete, remove your USB drive and reboot your PC. And welcome to Linux Mint, a fast, beautiful, and secure alternative to Microsoft Windows. Give it a whirl and let us know what you think in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video on installing Linux Mint. If so, please smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. It really is the best way to support what we do. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye, everyone.